For over 2 decades, Anchor Allied has walked into many leading events and expos, not just as exhibitors, but as believers in innovation, collaboration, and the future of construction. This year was no different at Big 5 Global Dubai. From precision sealants to full-scale industrial systems, our solutions were crafted for the real job site. And that's exactly what we showcased at Big 5. Our extensive portfolio, including silicone and PU sealants, aerosol technologies, PU foams, spray paints, waterproofing solutions, flooring systems, portable gas, adhesives and tapes, and a wide range of allied industrial formulations drew strong attention from professionals across multiple sectors. We also created a much greater space for conversations, solutions and partnerships, and industry professionals responded. But what truly stood out was our people, passion, technical expertise, and commitment to excellence. Though great products are built in our labs, great trust is built through people.
I take this opportunity to thank each and every customer, distributor, and visitor at our stand. We are coming to the end of the Big 5 Global Show. We've been very excited from all the inquiries we have received, brings us in the closure of 2025. We look forward to 2026 and all the exciting days that are coming ahead.
Big 5 Global 2025 may have come to an end, but for us, it's just the beginning. Next, we move to Riyadh.
With exports to 84 countries worldwide and a footprint in the Middle East, Africa, Asia, and America, Anchor Allied is not just as a manufacturer, but we are enablers of progress. And as the construction sector evolves,
it has been a wonderful 4-day event over here at Big 5 Global 2025 in Dubai.
We look forward to connect with our customers in Big 5 Saudi, understanding their needs, building solutions, and supporting the kingdom's growth.
Anchor Allied will proudly participate at the upcoming Big 5 Saudi, bringing the same ambition with an even stronger vision. Anchor Allied, always ahead.